Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will talk about Colorado Springs car accident flyer. If you have been injured in a car accident in Colorado Springs, the FANG law firm can help. Our Colorado Springs car accident flyers offer free, no obligation consultations to discuss your accident and to go over the strengths and weakness of your case. The aftermath of a car accident can be difficult and stressful, and no one should have to face the legal recovery process alone. Why should I hire a Colorado Springs car accident attorney? For more than a decade, our car accident attorneys in Colorado Springs have provided high-quality legal services for car accident injuries clients. We know that car accident injuries due to negligence can disrupt almost every aspect of your life. We will fight for the financial recovery that you need to help you and your family get back on your feet again. The team at our law firm is personally dedicated to every case that we take on. Our personal injury attorneys in Colorado Springs work one-on-one with every client. We are there to answer all questions and all Tharkiguna, and we return all client phone calls within 24 hours. We know that a successful personal injury practice requires open communication and undivided attention for all accident victims. How much does a car accident lawyer charge? A Colorado Springs car accident lawyer from our law firm will take on car accident case on a contingency fee basis. This means you do not pay any attorney's fees until we help you secure financial completion. Car accident can lead to missed work, pain and suffering, property damage and medical bills. We want to ensure that you are focused on your physical recovery without worrying about attorney's fees as your case progresses. Our goal is to achieve the best possible results and maximum compensation for each accident victim that we represent. We provide complimentary consultations and case evaluations to go over your accident case, facts and resulting damages. We review accident reports, medical reports and witness statements. Our auto accident attorneys will conduct a fact-finding investigations to help gather important evidence to build your case. We will also manage every aspect of your case, including settlement, negotiation, witness interviews, and communications with defense attorneys and insurance companies. When an experienced Colorado Springs car crash attorney takes on your case, you know that you have a legal advocate pursuing your claim, and you will most likely recover more competitions than if you handled your case alone. What to do after a car accident in Colorado Springs? What you do after a car accident in Colorado Springs can significantly impact the outcome of your case and your financial recovery. First and foremost, you should get the medical attention that you need, and then you should speak with a car accident attorney in Colorado Springs. Do not post any details of the accident on social media. Your social media posts can be used against you. If you are contacted by the other driver's lawyer or insurance adjuster, you should not speak with them until you have consulted with your own attorney. In general, the other driver's insurance company and legal representatives are adversarial and they will not be looking out for your best interests even if they pretend to be concerned about your health and the losses you have suffered. They typically want to talk to you to see if you will make any admissions or statements that will help their defense. They will often pressure you to accept a quick settlement offer that will likely not cover the full extent of your injuries and damages. What damages can be recovered after a car crash? At the Fangla firm, we take a personal approach to every case we expect. Our Colorado Springs car collision attorneys did not get into this business to make money. We are in for the people. We realize that no amount of money can make up for serious or catastrophic personal injuries. However, we also recognize the great amount of stress a family can experience while trying to pay for expensive medical bills, property repairs, and other costs of an accident. We help our clients move forward with greater peace of mind by achieving awards for their damages. Economic damages describe the losses suffered financially from an accident. Common examples of economic damages are past and future medical expense, lost wages, lost future capacity to earn a living, property damage, home or vehicle modifications for a disability, live in a car, travel costs and legal fees.